Hi parents, this is our weekly review, and you might notice we're sitting somewhere different. We're sitting by the kindness chart, and the kindness chart, we're doing 20 days of kindness, and our goal is to get everybody in our class to do each day from Thanksgiving break. Wasn't it from Thanksgiving break?
Yeah.
Till Christmas break. Winter's break to fill it out. So we're supposed to get 400. Everybody's supposed to fill out in each day, and so that's our goal. We're trying to be kind. That's our goal this year. And so we're gonna start out with the week now. On Monday, November 28th, in reading, we did nonfiction to become experts, and we would brainstorm topics. So we were doing this new unit where we would try to become experts on something, and so we were brainstorming topics that we could become experts on. On Tuesday, November 28th, we did a preview topic. We went to the library to get some books and then read them. On Wednesday, November 30th, we did listening potential topics. So we would get these buckets on each subject, and we would pass them around the classroom, and each table would get a subject of books, and we would read about them and jot down subjects about them that we might be interested in. On Thursday, December 1st, we did library books for our topic. So we picked one topic. For example, I picked South America, and we would go to the library catalog, search the book, write the call number and the title, and then we would have 5 of them, and we would go to the library and pick them out, and then we would come back and we would start math. And then on Friday, December 2nd, we did narrowing our topics with subtopics. So we made this chart, not a chart.
A web.
Yeah, a web. And we would pick the topic. We would read our books that we got from the library on Thursday, and we would jot down specific things about that topic. And so
on Monday, November 28th for writing, we did speech presentations from our essays, which probably already know about from our last weekend review, weekly review, and then we finished up those because some people didn't get to go. And then on Tuesday, November 29th, for writing, we did an opinion essay on demand. So on demand means you do it right now, please write me an essay on whatever essay you can do. Yeah, and then you have to do that and write an essay real quick. We had to do that in 50 minutes. And then on Wednesday, November 30th, we did an information essay cold write, and that's basically a test for the teacher to know what we did, what we learned in the persuasive unit. On Thursday, December 1st, in writing, we did a complex sentence in Fanboy. You maybe wonder what Fanboy is, and those are and then they were used in combine. They combine 2 sentences. They combine 2 short sentences to make one big one. And Fanboy they're called Fanboys because all the words, that's what they spell out when you rearrange them. But I can't remember all of them right now because there's too many. And then in language arts, today on Friday, we did complex sentences, otherwise known as a WUPUS. It has 2 A's, 2 W's, 2 U's, 2 B's, 1 I, and 1 S. I don't know what all the words stand for, Yeah. And then we did prepositional phrases today also, like
Same thing as family.
yeah, same thing as family basically. So that's what we did today. So that's what we did today. You know what I mean. Anyway,
You know what I mean.
and then he never did no one.
In science on Monday, we did design challenge, build a vehicle that meets requirements. Yeah, so we would build a vehicle. Yeah, I think we would look on a book, and we would try to build the design on there, the vehicle. So that's what we did, and then we would have to try to do the requirements. On Tuesday, we did rubber band power. So with the rubber bands, we would do the rubber bands, and we would do races for rubber band power. We did races, but the point was to see the distance that the rubber band did. Rubber band versus distance was kind of the same thing, but we would measure it. But with the rubber band power, we timed it. But with the rubber band versus distance, I think we timed it on rubber band power. But on rubber band versus distance, we measured it with a tape measurer. On Thursday, on science, we did friction observations. So with the vehicle that we built, we were doing tests, 3 observations with friction. And today, we did creating a fair test to test wind resistance. So we would create our own fair test piece of paper with questions, because we usually do it as a class, but today we did it on our own, and we would see, and we didn't do the requirements because we didn't have time, so on Monday we're doing the requirements.
And we don't have social studies since we're doing the science. So in math, on Monday, November 28th, we used arrays to multiply by multiples of 10. So we used like open arrays to multiply by 10. And then on Tuesday, November 29th, we did estimate to multiply. So we estimated from what we know, from what we know from multiplication problems. Yeah, it's kind of hard, but that at least it helps us a little bit. And then we estimated using compatible numbers. And compatible numbers are like, let's say it's like 24 times 31. And then you could like do like the 25. You could like make the 24 into 25. And then you could do 20, and since 25 are like fours, you can count by 25. And then you can just count to 30, you can just do 25, 31 times, and that's your answer. And so that really helps you. And then in math. And then math, on Thursday, December 1st, we did open arrays to multiply. So we used open arrays, as you probably know from one of the earlier reviews. We did, and then we used those to multiply our hard equations. And then today we're gonna do distributed property with multiplication. So we're going to use that, as you probably know from the earlier reviews, but instead we're going to do it with multiplication again.
We have some important dates and facts. So you check the blocks for important dates, and then the science test will be on Friday, so yes. And then study guide will be coming home on Monday, so get ready for the study guide. And so the study guide will be coming on Monday. So we'll have a study guide. Bye.